Okay, looks like you just found Prometheus Airsoft channel, and we're really professional with professional gun reviews like the Chris Vector KWAs. This, I love it. Yeah, let's open the box. So first thing you get inside the box is actually the Vector itself. It's made of a really nice high quality polymer, and it's actually this nice transparent design with and we do cool things like tech videos, like how to take apart gearboxes and stuff, like taking apart version 2 gear. And we're so rich, and we can buy all these. Don't worry, we're really professional. We all of us, team, we all wear professional Old Spice original deodorant. We have really good gameplay footage with these nifty cameras. They're nifty. Like I said earlier, we do our own tech videos, like how to install the orange tip on a new spring pistol. And we do gear reviews like safety glasses and all that good. And we have our little helpers who are really cute, and they have to be safe when playing Airsoft. But we also tell you what to use and what not to use on the Airsoft field. Like this crappy little spring pistol I have here. Like this thing is just like single action, like spring, you know. You can't use that. You're gonna get dead. We also use these Banshee bungee slings to hang ourselves, our guns. We use these things to hang our guns on the neck. We also show you difference between cheap Walmart optics like this True Glow here and really good optics like this Walmart one with the pokey iron sights. We also show you how to remove orange tips like this. Hold on. And we also tell you how to be safe with your Airsoft batteries. These kinds, the LiPo battery. With the LiPo battery, we tell you how to be safe. With this, you have to use it. You have to run it all the way down, completely out of battery. You have to discharge the battery completely all the way gone before you charge it up again, or else it'll be really bad. And with these ones, you just have to leave them charging all the time, because if you don't leave them charging all the time, then they'll actually discharge and they'll catch on fire and explode. So you have to be really careful with these. And also they're nunchucks. Well, I hope that gave you a good idea of what this Airsoft channel's all about. So I hope to see you forward next video.